Hi guys, Jacques Michiels for INKISH TV, coming here again from the FESPA 2023. And we're on the Brother stand and with the world premiere here in front of us, and we're going to talk here to one of the Brother representatives to give us a bit more in-depth information about the new machine. Hi, how are you today,
Hi,
Oliver?
I'm good, thank you very much.
Fantastic, thank you for having us. So yeah, already it looks like a beautiful machine. So what is it? And give us a bit of the novelties that you come with here, because let's say the large format is new for Brother. So what are you bringing to market?
So we are entering the new, totally new market for us by bringing on the market our first large wide format machine using latex technology. So this generation of ink is a new generation of ink is entirely developed by Brother, and which with only CMYK allow us to reproduce a huge amount of color compared to the competitors.
So yeah, so you have the, let's say the pre-coating, I think that is?
Yes.
And then you go to the CMYK.
We are using optimizer to fix the ink on the media,
okay,
which allows very strong fastness, and allow us, of course, to print on a huge variety of media. So our inks are Greengar Gold certified, which must be a standard.
Like an industry standard now, that is really a demand that is coming from the market.
Exactly.
So, yeah, to comply with ecology. Yeah.
Ecology and health.
Yeah, and what else is in that regard helping ecology, the ecosystem? You have something special on the inks as well, on the cartridges as well?
Yes, so we are not providing the full cartridge to reduce our carbon emission. We are only providing the ink pouch, which is drastically reducing the amount of plastic used, and of course help us to reach our target regarding ecology.
Exactly. So I guess you have other stuff that helps
Definitely
the environment. So what else?
So we are printing on a size up to 64 inches, which is 1.62 meters, on a huge variety of media like wallpaper, banner, PVC, backlights.
All with the same inks?
All with the same ink, the same system, all the same.
And the technology was developed by Brother itself, I was told. So the inks,
all the inks,
and the print heads,
all the inks which works in combination with our printheads. So Brother is well known on the market for printheads. So we are bringing this technology on this machine. So for this we are using piezo heads, which doesn't make it as consumable. Right. This printhead allow us to modify the drop size, which will be of course dropped on the media from 5 to 15 picoliters, which allow us to have a better gradient of color, better shading of color with only CMYK.
Okay, have some example to show us maybe on
yes,
the quality that you...
So we have this print, which is CMYK, only prints.
So you have a very wide gamut then on just with CMYK.
Yes.
So and as you were saying, the piezo technology, so it avoids interchanging print heads. So
exactly. So
what's the lifespan of a print head?
There is no lifetime.
Okay. You just clean it.
You just clean it. You do the maintenance as it should, and you do not replace it, which of course makes it eco-friendly, of course, and help the customer to help the customer.
Okay, so is that one of the main ideas for Brother when they come on the market with this new machine, to have as much as possible elements that help that ecological footprint of this Brother machine to take it as low as possible, I guess?
Yes, this is our target. So our target is to reduce our footprint as much as possible. So of course this is part of our target, yes.
Yeah, and so this is the first machine?
Yes.
Will there be others? Do you know about the plans?
I would say let's start by one machine, and the rest will follow.
let's take the world first with the WF1.
Exactly.
Perfect. Well, thank you so much, Oliver, for this little conversation and insight. And I wish you a very successful fair.
Thank you very much.
Thank you so much. Bye-bye.